Hello and welcome back to the Way to Native Chronicles. What we're doing here today is we're at the Alberta Trappers Association store in Westlock. We just picked up some trapping supplies, and what I wanted to do is take this opportunity to invite you to an upcoming series of videos on wolf trapping. It's going to cover a lot of material, so this will be a substantial effort. And the course is being taught by some top trappers. The Alberta Trappers Association is really a leader in North America when it comes to snaring and developing the humane technologies for doing so that are tested. So for any hope of snaring to continue in North America, Canada or the US, we've got to up our game as far as snaring goes. So what I'm going to do in this series of videos that's coming up is I'm going to cover a whole lot of ground, including the making of snares from scratch. And I haven't decided yet. I've got a lot of this stuff already on video, but it comes up to about 6.5 hours of material. So how I'm going to present it, maybe mention in the comments what you'd prefer. I could do it in, if I broke it into 15-minute segments, it would be about close to 30 videos. So maybe 1 hour segments. It's 6.5 hours in all. So tell me how long a video you think you can put up with watching in one stretch. When I look at the stuff that's being captured, there's so much information, I really can't leave anything out. If you want to get a real thorough knowledge of wolves and their habits, and I mean this stuff is not just for trappers. Trappers are in a blessed position that they know so much about the animals that they trap. And so if you are just interested in wolves in general and getting to know nature and the habits of these animals, these trappers that we have that are teaching this course have such an in-depth knowledge that it's simply amazing. So this is really good stuff that's coming down the pike here, and I really think we should take advantage of this opportunity to spread the word on how to manage wolves. Wolf management is a very big topic nowadays because there's a lot of controversy about it, but we need to manage caribou populations, moose populations, and things like that, and then you have cattlemen concerns. So the governments generally really like to have lots of wolf trappers, but you got to do it the right way that is humane. If we go out there and start trapping wolves the wrong way so that they suffer, the public is going to be in an outcry, and we should expect what we get if that's the case. So as I said at the beginning, the Alberta Trappers Association, they're the most advanced in terms of testing snares and footholds and various methods for trapping. So I would give them a listen and learn from it. I hope this information gets spread far and wide. So I want to thank the Alberta Trappers Association for their cooperation in the making of these videos. They aren't all done yet, but look for them on the channel. Subscribe, click the notifications bell on the channel too, so that when they start coming out that you get notified so you don't miss anything. I really hope that this benefits the industry of trapping a great deal and gets a lot of people more informed on the proper way of doing things. And those of you who are experienced, I'm sure you're going to pick up a lot of stuff anyways out of this course regardless. There's always different ways of doing things, but it's always worth a listen because these guys are really experienced. So I'll wrap it up here now. I don't want to get too long, but remember to put stuff in the comments on what you prefer. Indicate your level of interest too in these series of videos, because it's going to take up a lot of channel bandwidth, okay? So until next time, from the Way to Native Chronicles, God bless. See ya. Did you like this video? If you did, I think you're going to like this one right over here. So check it out. And I appreciate your subscribing if you haven't done so already. Remember to do that while you're watching this next video. Click like, it all helps us out for this channel. Catch you next time.